Good morning, dear students. We have done till question number 21 in our last class. Today we'll start from question number 22, and the question is sec square a into cosec square a is equal to tan square a plus cot square a plus 2. First you copy left hand side. Now you have to convert sec square a to tan square a and cosec square a to cot square a. And we know the relation of sec square theta and tan square theta. Sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So in place of sec square a, we will write 1 plus tan square a. And in place of cosec square a, we will write 1 plus cot square a. Now we will multiply 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into cot square a plus tan square a into 1 tan square a plus into plus tan square a into cot square a tan square a cot square a. Now 1 plus cot square a plus tan square a. Now we know tan and cot are reciprocal. So tan theta into cot theta is 1. So tan square a into cot square a is 1. So 1 plus 1 2 plus cot square a plus tan square a proved. Now next is question number 23. 1 by 1 plus cos a plus 1 by 1 minus cos a is equal to 2 cosec square a. Now copy left hand side. Now we have to take LCM. Okay, we have to take LCM of 1 plus cos a and 1 minus cos a. So LCM is 1 plus cos a, 1 minus cos a. So this 1 will be multiplied by 1 minus cos a, and this 1 will be multiplied by 1 plus cos a. Next we will open bracket. Then cos a cancel. So 1 plus 1 2 by sine square a. But our right hand side is cosec square a, and we know 1 by sine square is cosec square because they are reciprocal. Okay, so it is proved. Now question number 25. Cosec a divided by cosec a minus 1 plus cosec a divided by cosec a plus 1 is equal to 2 sec square a. First copy left hand side. Next you find LCM. Okay, LCM of cosec a minus 1 and cosec a plus 1. After that, here you have to multiply with this cosec a plus 1, and here you have to multiply with cosec a minus 1. After that, we will open bracket. Cosec a into cosec a is cosec square a plus cosec a into 1 is cosec a plus cosec a into cosec a cosec square a minus cosec a into 1 cosec a. Minus cosec a plus cosec a cancel. Cosec square a plus cosec square a 2 cosec square a. Now here cosec square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. So in place of that cosec square a minus 1, we can write cot square a. Okay, now our right hand side is sec square a. So here what we will do, we will try to express them in sine or cos. So cosec can be written as 1 by sine because it is reciprocal of cosec, and cot can be written as cos upon sine. So square is there, that's why we have to write cosec square a by sine square a. After that you have to bring it to the numerator, then write its reciprocal, then sine square a cancel. Now 1 by cosec square a is sec square a. Reciprocal of cosec square a is sec square a proved. Now next question number 27. 1 plus cos a divided by 1 minus cos a is equal to tan square a divided by sec a minus 1 whole square. First you copy left hand side. After that you compare this left hand side with right hand side. On the right hand side, in the denominator we have square. No, so to get square, okay, to get square in the denominator, what we have to do is we have to multiply by this 1 minus cos a, then only we will get square in the denominator. So to get square in the denominator, we will just multiply numerator and denominator by 1 minus cos a. You have to multiply both numerator and denominator. You cannot multiply only denominator. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by 1 minus cos A. Now it looks like a plus b, a minus b. This is a square minus b square, and 1 minus cos a, 1 minus cos a, 1 minus cos a whole square. Now 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So 1 square is 1, 1 minus cos square a is sin square a divided by 1 minus cos a whole square. Now your right hand side is sec a. So we know sec is the reciprocal of cos. Cos and sec are reciprocal. So in place of cos we can write 1 by sec. So in place of cos we will write 1 by sec. Then here we will find LCM. Okay, so add here 1, then find LCM of 1 and sec a. It is sec a. So here you have to multiply by sec a, and here you have to multiply by 1. So sin square a divided by sec a minus 1 divided by sec a whole square. Now you give this square individually. Sec a minus 1 whole square divided by sec square a. Now this will become reciprocal. Okay, after that we got denominator, but numerator we have to find. In numerator we have tan. Okay, and here we have sin and sec, and tan is sin divided by cos. So sec can be expressed in terms of cos. We can write 1 by cos. Now sin square a into 1 is sin square a. Sin square a divided by cos square a, which is sin upon cos is tan. Square is there, so tan square a. So in place of this we can write tan square a divided by sec a minus 1 whole square. Proved. Now next question number 28. Cot square a divided by cosec a plus 1 whole square is equal to 1 minus sin a divided by 1 plus sin a. Now in this question you have option. Okay, either you can take right hand side and solve like previous question. Okay, multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin a, or another method also we have. Okay, I am taking left hand side and I am solving this left hand side to get right hand side. So on the left hand side we have cot square a by cosec a plus 1 whole square. Now we know cot square theta is cosec square theta minus 1. See here, cot square theta is cosec square theta minus 1. So we will write in place of cot square theta cosec square theta minus 1. So 1 we can consider 1 square. Now it is a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. Now this cosec a plus 1 and 1 power will be cancelled. Cosec a minus 1 divided by cosec a plus 1. But our right hand side is in form of sin a. So cosec a can be written in form of sin. Cosec is 1 by sin minus 1, 1 by sin plus 1. Now we will take LCM. After taking LCM, we will get 1 minus sin a divided by sin a whole divided by 1 plus sin a divided by sin a. This will be reciprocal, right? It's reciprocal. Sin a cancel. 1 minus sin a divided by 1 plus sin a. Proved.